Assalamu alaikum, welcome to ReadPK, and today we will learn some new sentences. And before that, please let me share your screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, I want to say that just please like and subscribe so that I can make some, it's make me motivated. Okay, first sentence is oh, that's good. So in Arabic, you can say it in many ways. So one of them is Haza Shay Jamil. Oh, that's good. Haza Shay Jamil. So let's try our Google Translate here. That's good is used as a Zaliku Jayyid. Jayyid is good. Zalik has that's. Other words are also here. Haza Tayyib, Haza Jayyid, Innahu Jayyid, Haza Amru Jayyid. Means that work is good. So that there's a lot of other words for this so beautiful sentence. That's good. ذلك جيد. Okay, our next sentence of today is how old are you? Anyone can ask you if then you say Kam huwa umrika. Umar is used for age. So Kam huwa umrika. So what will be its accent in Arabic? Kam umrika. Kam umrika. So when you answer them, you say I am 20, 30, 40, 50 years old. So you say Umri means your age. Umri, Ashrin, Salasin, Sina. Sina is used for year and Umri is used for age. So Umri, Ashrin, Salasin. So thank you so much for today. I hope you will be practicing this many times, at least 5 or 10 times. So let's try learn new sentences tomorrow. Thanks for being with ReadPK. Allah Hafiz.